long as the community works.
And now let's move to tourism, where the 4th edition of the Kenya-Uganda tourism has kicked off in Mombasa, in Malindi, Mombasa, with this being boosted by the signing of a memorandum of understanding between the Kenyan president, that is William Ruto, and Uganda's Yoweri Museveni. And this has also increased relations between the two countries, where we're looking at tourism between Uganda and Kenya, and also even sharing the border on trade. Now Tobias Chanji was attending and has also been speaking to some stakeholders in this particular kick-off of the tourism conference. Tobias, let's take it away.
We are at a Malindi Hotel, where the Cabinet Secretary for Tourism, Rebecca Miano, will be officially opening the Kenya Coast Uganda Tourism Conference that has brought together almost 700 delegates to discuss matters at tourism, with this year being innovation and technology.
I want to see how, especially the young people who are tech-savvy, can benefit, or the industry can benefit from their tech-savviness. And I've always said that these young people, they create and share a lot of content. So I've been encouraging, but some of the content they share sometimes is not really promoting the industry. Not only the industry, but our countries and the economies generally.
This year we're talking about smart destinations. So smart destinations have a lot of the future in them. It involves a lot of technology. It involves how we're keeping up with the changing time, but it also focuses on the aspects of community, the aspects of sustainability, the aspects of culture. That half of being a smart destination is as important as keeping up.
To be here today, I think the biggest excitement here is that this conference is in Kilifi, and we hope there's going to be a great turnout, and we're very excited to meet all the Ugandans so that they can come to our properties and bring the tourists to our properties and come and visit our properties, because they have to experience the property to be able to sell the property. So we're very, very excited.
I am very excited to be in Kenya. I have been in Kenya before, but not to the coast, and definitely not for a tourism event like this one. Exactly. And also I have been as allocated to Diani, and I can assure you, I feel like someone should adopt me.
The Uganda-Kenya Coast Tourism Conference is a very, very big thing. We have been working hard to promote and revive the tourism in this county.
So of these regions, Malindi was the most affected. But I tell you, Chianji, now with this kind of events coming to Malindi, it's giving Malindi, the travelers confidence. And truth be told, Malindi is vibrant. We are back to our feet. I get concerned when I see a few writers say, "Oh, Malindi is dead." Malindi is not dead. Malindi is alive. We are here. You can see.
It's from such discussions that the delegates say they'll leverage on to improve the tourism status in the entire East African region. Tobias Chanji, KTN, Malindi Town in Kilifi County.